So it recently occurred to me that the general public has no accurate concept of how much YouTubers make from the ads placed on their videos.
Today, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for a 1 million viewed video.
विकास एंड स्वागत है आप लोगों का मेरे इस YouTube चैनल पर। दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को दो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देने वाला हूं जिसके बारे में बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाहते हैं, जिसके बारे में बहुत सारी वीडियोस भी बनी है YouTube पे कि आप YouTube से कितना पैसा कमाते हैं।
What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Reezy, and if you have ever wondered how much money do YouTubers make, how to make money on YouTube, or how much money do YouTubers get paid for...
How much do you think a video that gets 1 million views, how much do you think it earns? How much money?
Oh, 1 million views?
Yeah.
I would say $10,000.
Today, we are going to talk about how to make money on YouTube in 2020.
So here's the big question, right? How much did I make once this video hit 1 million views? And it's not as much as you think. There are so many factors when it comes to making money on YouTube. Well, that's what I found anyway. Let me break it down. So last year, until this video was released, I was hitting roughly just over 100 subscribers. Once this video was released, I had a mini explosion. The views and subscribers went crazy. However, I couldn't monetize it as I hadn't qualified yet. And this took 3 months. And once I did qualify for monetization, the hype of the video died. You can see here clearly. I mean, it still kind of grew and I still get views on it. It's by far my most viewed tutorial on here. And I don't know why it's so popular compared to my other videos. I know it was trending on Instagram, but I'm really glad I did this video. But how much did I make? So to date, the total is